Hello, my name is Tom. I am 25 years old. I live in a small apartment. I live alone. My life is simple. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I make coffee, I eat breakfast. Then I go to work. I work in a supermarket. I like my job. One Monday morning, something interesting happened. A new neighbor moved into the apartment next to mine. I saw many boxes near the door. I saw a young woman. She was carrying a heavy box. I wanted to help her. I walked to her. I smiled and said, "Hello. My name is Tom. Do you need help?" She smiled. She looked happy. She said, "Hello. My name is Emma." "Yes, please. Thank you." I carried some boxes into her apartment. There were many boxes. Some boxes were big. Some boxes were small. After a few minutes, all the boxes were inside. Emma said, "Thank you very much. You are very kind." I said, "You are welcome." Then I went to work. The next day, I saw Emma again. She was outside the building. She was looking at her phone. She looked confused. I walked to her. I asked, "Is everything okay?" Emma said, "Yes, but I cannot find a good supermarket. I am new here." I smiled. I said, "There is a supermarket near the park. I work there." Emma looked surprised. She said, "Really? That's great." After work, I showed her the supermarket. She bought some food. She bought milk. She bought bread. She bought fruit. She was very happy. A few days later, Emma knocked on my door. I opened the door. Emma was holding a cake. She smiled and said, "This cake is for you. Thank you for helping me." I was surprised. I said, "Thank you." The cake looked delicious. We sat together. We drank coffee. We talked for a long time. I learned many things about Emma. She was 23 years old. She worked as a teacher. She loved reading books. She loved animals. She loved traveling. Emma asked me about my hobbies. I said, "I like football. I like movies. I like walking in the park." Emma smiled. She said, "I like the park too." The next Saturday, we went to the park together. The weather was beautiful. The sun was shining. Many people were walking. Many children were playing. We talked and laughed. We had a very good time. Weeks passed. Emma and I became good friends. Sometimes we drank coffee together. Sometimes we went shopping. Sometimes we walked in the park. Life became more interesting. One day, Emma said, "I am happy I moved here." I smiled. I said, "I am happy too. Good neighbors make life better." Emma laughed. She said, "Good neighbors and good friends." I agreed. And from that day, our friendship became even stronger. The end.